Hey everybody, welcome back to the kitchen. I'm going to show you a little family secret. It's called Jazzed Up Gatorade. Okay. My husband drinks a lot of Gatorade, but he was complaining that it just doesn't taste that good. And with him being out in the heat working, I thought, well, let's see what I can do to try to help that flavor a bit. So I thought about it, and let me show you what I come up with. Okay, I have a 3-quart plastic container. Yes, at one time, guys, it had Kool-Aid in it, but that's okay. Okay, I have a little bit of warm water in the bottom, probably about 3 cups. Okay, I'm doing warm so everything will dissolve a little bit better. Okay, I have orange Gatorade, if I get the front of it there. I have orange Gatorade. Okay. And normally you use 1 scoop per quart of Gatorade. Okay. I'm going to put 2 scoops in here. And I have a package of just Kool-Aid drink mix. Okay. This little package is supposed to make 2 quarts, but we're not going to use it that way. Okay. I'm going to dump it in there with my Gatorade, and then, of course, Kool-Aid takes sugar. The package calls for 1 cup of sugar. Okay. I'm only using a half cup. Put it in there, and the reason I put just a little bit of water in there, and warm water at that, was so I could just shake it up really good. Okay, now I'm going to finish filling it with regular water. Okay, I put cold water in there, folks. And I want you to look at just how much richer that looks than just your average Gatorade. And something else that you can do, folks, is you can get about 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt and add to this to add a few extra minerals in there. But give it a try. If your regular Gatorade is not quite rich enough for you, you can also experiment with other flavors. I've used grape Gatorade with grape Kool-Aid. I've used fruit punch Gatorade with mixed berry Kool-Aid. Just mix and match until you get a flavor that you really like. But let me know if you decide to try that, because we really like it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you folks on the next video.